Oh, it is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Everything is positive, and the trees, and the wind, and the birds, and the trees, and the amazing. It is a beautiful morning at Diamondback Ridge Stables. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm just so full of excitement and amazement and joy. And be quiet. Gosh. Fools are trying to sleep. Oh, I'm sorry, Duchess. Just go back to sleep, please. Oh, don't be such a negative Nelly. Goodness. Maybe you shouldn't be such a positive punk. Oh, I don't think punk is the right word. I think you need to choose a different word next time, Salpicado. It's 4 in the morning. Go back to sleep. Oh, dear me, Whisket. Are you correct? Yes. Oh, goodness. I am sorry, everyone. But I'm just so full of excitement. Where are the humans? Sleeping? Oh. Well, we're gonna have to get a rooster or something. Heck no. Oh, I think we should. How to get out and stretch my legs. Hey, Aussie! What? Aussie! Hey, Aussie! What? Who is that? Who is that? It's me, over here. Sunny, silly. Oh. What do you need? I want to run out and stretch my legs. Okay. Sunny, it's really early. Don't you think you should go back to sleep? Oh. No, I'm an early bird. Don't you know that, silly? Can you just let me out? All I want to do is just run around. I won't bother anyone anymore. I'll be silent, I promise. If you promise to be quiet. Yay, I'm free. Yay, yay, yay. Thanks, Aussie, thank you. Be quiet! Shut up! People are trying to sleep! Jimmy, it's okay. Jimmy, calm down. It's okay. Oh, goodness me. I didn't mean to make a fool cry. Duchess, I'm so sorry. Don't apologize to me. Jimmy, I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited in the early morning. Can you forgive me? I hope you die. Okay. Whee! What the heck? Mom, I need to go to the bathroom. You are not going outside. You are not. But, Mom... No. I wonder what would happen if I climb this ladder. Oh, dear. That was painful. I'm sorry. What is your problem? Oh, nothing. I just get so excited. I'm going to need a little bit of assistance here. Let's see, you put your hoof under here, you lift it up, and there we go. Hey, cat, can you help me? No. Oh, okay. Straighten it out. Oh, dang. I'll have the humans fix that. little one? Hi. How are you on this fine Sunday morning? Okay. You are just so cute, I could eat you up. What's going on over here? Who are you? My name is Sunny, little colt. Who are you? Noodle. What are you doing to Dakota? Dakota, I didn't know that was your name. That's such a pretty name. Listen, freak, why don't you get out of here? You're scaring everybody. Oh. Well, I'm sorry. Foals are so cute. I just wish I could have one of my own someday. Like that'll ever happen. Oh, miss, do you mind keeping your comments to yourself? Thank you. You are such a little chicken head. Chicken head? Well, I hope the rest of your day is marvelous and you are just a cute little thing. Don't touch me! Oh dear, you are a violent little thing. Only when provoked. Oh, well, we mustn't provoke him again. Now, shall not we? Bye! Nice meeting you two. Get out of here! Oh, goodness. Stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop. Wait a minute. Stop, you drop, and you roll. I hope all of you have a marvelous morning. And I am just so happy. And, you know, I just wish you all have a marvelous morning. Okay? Okay. Bye. Psst. Noodle. What? You, me. Killer? Oh, yeah. Now you're thinking about... Well, wait a minute. You idiot, you always mess up. Did you not see me beat her up? I could kill her in a heartbeat. Oh, pfft, come on. I can do that same thing times 10. Whatever. No! Jimmy, get back in here and go to sleep.